Hey everybody, welcome back. I think this is probably going to be the last update on this until the month is over and we take them inside and do our test. It is, if you can see it, it is about 12 after 1 on 7/21. The temperature out today is, let me get my phone in front of me. Temperature out today is 100 degrees right now, so it feels like 110. That's because it's overcast and kind of humid. Where is the rest of the information here? Humidity is 32% and the UV index is 10 or very high. So let's do the comparison here so I can go back inside where it's not so friggin' miserable. Alright, so let's get these here and let's start at the top with PLA. Here's our comparison with PLA. I don't know that it's going to get much worse than that. That is pretty yellowed. PLA Plus, and I'm going to talk a bit about why I probably should have gone with all white, because some of these I could not get in transparent, whereas PLA Plus really hasn't changed hardly at all. And I'm starting to wonder if the lack of pigment in the transparent is partially what's the cause for this, and I may do another test on that, but let's talk about that some more in a bit. PETG is next. Where is PETG? Here we go. Whoops, dropped one. PETG has changed a little bit, not a huge amount, but there is definitely a difference in the color. It is not huge though, and it might just be dirt too, because it has poured rain out here. And we've had a couple of dust storms too, so might just be dirt. Let me pick up the one I dropped. And ABS is next on the list. Here's ABS, and it has also changed color quite noticeably, a little bit more than PETG, I think. Not drastically, not as much as I expected it from those taillight lenses I printed, which really turned yellow, but it definitely has changed. Nylon, I don't really notice any difference at all, to be honest. I think it's about the same. Polycarbonate, it has it changed? I don't think it has. It looks pretty much the same to me, maybe a tiny bit, not much, that's for sure. I was expecting a much bigger change in polycarbonate. ASA has not changed at all. It is identical. And that next one down is Palm, and I don't think, honestly, this one is very thin, so you're seeing some of the color through it. I don't think it's changed at all either. Here's the TPU. Some part of my eye seems to think the TPU has darkened slightly, but since I don't have a comparison, I can't really tell. It certainly, I don't think, has gotten any less flexible. Seems to be holding up really well. And the last, of course, is the resin. And remember the resin? It turned really yellow at the beginning, and now it seems to be bleaching back to white again. I find that to be pretty interesting. I expected the resin to be affected most of all by UV, since it is UV sensitive. And as far as the transparent versus the white is concerned, something about this makes me want to come out either with a transparent PLA Plus or a white PLA and do another comparison to see how much role the pigment is playing in that. Didn't seem to play much of a role in the polycarbonate and the Palm, but and of course the Palm might be white too. The fact that I couldn't get much of a print with it tells me something else. Didn't seem to play a huge role in PETG either, but I might do that. I might come up either with a white PLA or a transparent PLA Plus, hopefully by the same manufacturer, and see if I can see how much of a role the pigment actually plays in this. Anyway, that's the update for today. Again, I don't think I'm going to come out and do another one until the month is up and we bring it all inside for some brake tests and some inside comparisons. So hope you guys had a great weekend and the week is going well for you. Please like and subscribe. Would really help me out if you'd hit subscribe and notifications and all that stuff. and I will catch you the next time. Bye for now.